vitamin helps break down blood clots in your legs, and every senior should know about it. Do you ever feel pins and needles in your feet, sudden nighttime leg cramps that jolt you awake from sleep, or that heavy dragging sensation after standing all day? It may seem like nothing serious, but these small discomforts could be early warnings of a much bigger problem. What if ignoring these symptoms allowed something far more dangerous to develop silently inside your body? Many people dismiss swollen ankles, leg numbness, or painful cramps as just a normal part of getting older. But here is the truth. These signals can mean your circulatory system is struggling. And if they are ignored, you could end up facing serious consequences like mobility loss, ongoing pain, or even a life-threatening condition. But do not worry, because you are not alone, and there is plenty you can do about it. In this video, we are going to reveal 5 warning signs of circulation issues and how you can improve blood flow naturally. Before we get into it, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting us know where you are watching from. It truly means a lot to see this community growing every single day. As we get older, our bodies send us subtle signals that something might be wrong, and one of the first signs that blood flow to your feet or legs is not normal is when the skin tone begins to shift. Have you ever noticed your feet or ankles looking unusually pale? Or perhaps they appear slightly blue or develop darker patches? This can be a major indicator that your circulation needs serious attention. When blood movement weakens or becomes blocked, oxygen and nutrients struggle to reach the skin and tissue, and that is when those visible changes appear. Your body's alarm system is telling you something is not right. Your skin may also feel cooler than usual, and wounds or blisters can take much longer to heal. Slow healing raises the. For seniors, those infections can turn dangerous very quickly. If you are noticing these signs, do not ignore them. This is not just a cosmetic issue. It could be a sign of a deeper circulatory problem, and paying attention now can protect your health later. If you have ever had to stop mid-walk because a sharp crank hits your leg, you know just how uncomfortable that feels. But that pain is not random. It can indicate a condition called intermittent claudication, which occurs when arteries narrow and restrict oxygen-rich blood from reaching your muscles. When the muscles do not receive enough oxygen, they stiffen and cramp, forcing you to stop completely. For many older adults, these cramps show up most often at night, interrupting sleep again and again. Imagine trying to rest but being woken repeatedly by throbbing pain. It is not only uncomfortable, it is completely draining. These nighttime spasms affect your energy and your ability to function the next day. The key thing to understand is this: it is not normal aging. It is a sign your circulation needs help. If leg cramps are stopping you during walks or waking you at night, it is time to take them seriously. That pins and needles feeling in your feet, or those numb toes, may seem harmless if it only happens once in a while. But if it becomes frequent or lasts longer than usual, it could be a real warning sign. This sensation appears when your nerves are not receiving enough oxygen or blood. It is your body's way of saying your legs are struggling. While mild at first, continued lack of oxygen can lead to nerve damage, and nerve damage is not something to take lightly. It affects balance, stability, and even your ability to walk comfortably. A simple annoyance can quietly turn into a serious mobility issue. But here is the good news. Noticing these symptoms early gives you the chance to improve circulation and prevent long-term harm. So if your legs or feet feel numb or tingly often, listen to your body. Do your feet feel like ice even when the room is perfectly warm? Constantly cold feet can signal poor circulation and possible arterial problems. One common cause is atherosclerosis, a buildup of plaque inside your arteries that slows blood flow significantly. Reduced circulation not only makes your feet feel cold, it means less oxygen and fewer nutrients are reaching your tissues. A small cut or blister can take far too long to heal and become serious if bacteria gets in. It can also cause changes in skin texture, swelling, and discoloration. And if poor circulation continues untreated, it can lead to dangerous issues like blood clots or even heart disease. So if your feet are always cold without a clear reason, do not just brush it off. Your body is alerting you that something is not right. And taking steps now can keep your circulation strong and protect your overall health. Have you spotted enlarged, twisted veins on your legs or feet sometimes, appearing blue or purplish in color? These visible veins are not just a cosmetic concern. They are a warning sign that your circulation is not working the way it should. When veins become swollen and easy to see, it usually means the valves inside them, which help push blood in the right direction, are weakening. Blood begins to pool, causing the veins to enlarge and bulge outward. This happens most often in the legs, where gravity makes circulation more challenging. If ignored, these veins can continue to worsen, becoming more twisted, larger, and more painful. And in many older adults, they can also lead to deep vein thrombosis, a dangerous condition where a blood clot forms deep inside a vein. If left untreated, this can become life-threatening. But the positive news is you do not have to simply accept these veins or allow them to progress. With proper care, lifestyle changes, and supportive vitamins, you can protect your veins, ease discomfort, and feel better moving around every day. Now that we have covered the warning signs, let us talk about the natural vitamins that can help enhance blood flow and protect your circulatory system. The first is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. This nutrient is extremely important for boosting blood circulation because it widens your blood vessels, helping blood move more efficiently and smoothly. This can greatly lower the chance of blockages or clots, something essential for people dealing with artery narrowing or heart-related concerns. Vitamin B3 also helps regulate cholesterol levels. It reduces bad cholesterol, known as LDL, and boosts good cholesterol, known as HDL, which keeps arteries flexible and decreases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. You can easily get niacin from simple foods like skinless chicken, eggs, salmon, tuna, and nuts like almonds. However, if you take it in high supplement doses, you may experience what is called a niacin flush, which causes temporary redness and warmth in the skin. To avoid, niacin from whole foods is always the better and safer choice. Next is vitamin C, well known for boosting immunity but also playing a major role in maintaining strong blood vessel walls. This essential vitamin helps protect your blood vessels, especially the tiny capillaries that sometimes struggle to keep blood moving properly. One of vitamin C's biggest advantages is that it stimulates collagen production, a key protein that maintains the structure of your blood vessels, skin, and tissues. As we age, collagen levels drop, leading to weaker vessels and increased circulation challenges. By getting enough vitamin C, you promote healthier, more flexible veins and arteries, and it can even help slow the development of varicose veins. You can find it in foods like oranges, lemons, kiwis, strawberries, and red bell peppers. Just remember, vitamin C breaks down when exposed to heat, light, or air, so eating these foods fresh gives you the full benefit. Now let us talk about vitamin K, a nutrient many people overlook but one that is absolutely crucial for good blood circulation and a strong heart, especially in older adults. Vitamin K helps prevent calcium buildup inside the arteries, a major contributor to hardened arteries. When arteries become stiff, blood flows less freely, raising your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and harmful clots. Vitamin K acts like a hidden defender by keeping blood vessels flexible and helping regulate blood clotting. One of the best ways to get vitamin K is by eating leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are top choices and easy to add to any meal. A simple green smoothie with spinach, kale, and a little fruit for flavor is a great way to boost your intake daily. Vitamin K also works alongside vitamin D to protect both your arteries and your bones, reducing calcification in blood vessels and supporting smoother circulation as you age. And finally, let us talk about vitamin E, one of the strongest antioxidants available for supporting blood vessel health. Vitamin E helps protect artery walls from damage, preventing small tears that may lead to dangerous clot formation. It also helps increase nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels so blood can circulate more easily, reducing stress on your heart and improving overall vascular health. For seniors hoping to avoid circulation-related complications like deep vein thrombosis, vitamin E is extremely valuable. You can find it in foods like olive oil, sunflower seeds, almonds, avocados, and leafy greens. Just keep in mind that too much vitamin E from supplements can raise the risk of bleeding, so getting it from real food sources is always the safest approach. These vitamins are not minor extras. They are powerful defenders that help you stay active, energized, and healthy at any age. From vitamin B3 improving circulation to vitamin E protecting your artery walls, each one plays a meaningful role in keeping your body strong. Your health is truly in your hands. Take action today to keep your heart and your legs working well for years to come. If this information was helpful to you, please share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more tips that support your well-being. See you in the next one.